If you want to speak English fluently and effectively, you must know the usage of connectors in a right way. Connectors help us to make our speech audible and audience feel comfort with our language. We must use connectors to simplify our language and to get fluency. I will tell you some connectors where we use and. Ramu and I went to cinema. But he is short, but he is strong. Or I take coffee or tea. Still, he ate 10 samosas. Still, he wants some more. Yet, the cinema has not started yet. Thank you for watching this video.